Shalom, life-giving daughter of Zion. Breathe deeply. Today, we embrace our Qadash design as nurturers. We are vessels of Yahuwah's compassion, called to cultivate life in our sphere of influence and establish a legacy of covenant faithfulness for generations to come. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of gentle strength and generational vision, daily for 21 days, to awaken your nurturing Ruah. 1. The nurturing heart of Yahuwah beats within me. I am a source of comfort, life, and restoration. 2. My words have the power to build up and heal. I use them to speak life into my family and community. 3. My home is a sanctuary of Shalum, a place where Yahuwah's presence dwells and the weary find rest. 4. I am a wise builder of my household, establishing it on the firm foundation of Yahuwah's word. 5. The legacy I am building is not of material wealth, but of unwavering emunah and reverence for Yahuwah. 6. I nurture the gifts and callings in others, recognizing the Qadash potential Yahuwah has placed within them. 7. I break every generational curse of neglect and brokenness. My lineage will be known for covenant love. 8. I extend compassion and care to myself, nurturing my own Ruah so I can pour out from a full vessel. 9. My life is a living testimony that will instruct the next generation in the way they should go. 10. Through me, Yahuwah establishes a Qadash seed, a family that serves him and advances his kingdom. 'Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and step into your role as a legacy builder. Cultivate life and emunah day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH